Hi everyone, this is a 3-minute tutorial on how to use talking points for schools. In today's video, we will be covering how to view and send messages. When you first log into the program, you will automatically be taken to the Messages dashboard. Here, you will be able to view your inbox and all of your incoming messages. Each message will be listed under the student's name. It will show the body of the message and the date that it was received. If you click on a message, you'll be taken to the full conversation thread with a given student's parent. In the next tab up top, you can see Sent Messages, which are all the messages that a school has sent out. Above the Message column, you'll notice that a checkbox reads Only School Messages. This box will automatically be checked when you log in and will limit the messages displayed to only messages sent by the school account, in this case, Bay School. When the box is unchecked, you will also be able to view messages sent out by teachers in your inbox and Sent Messages folders. Next to this box, you can also filter the messages to narrow down your view based on certain classes, staff members, or students. In addition, if you're looking for a particular message, you can search for a name or word in the upper right search box. In the final tab, you can see Scheduled Messages, which will show you any messages that are scheduled to go out at a later time or date. You will again be able to see who is sending the message, who is receiving it, the message body itself, the date, and only for scheduled messages you'll be given the option to delete it. Note, this is a question that we get often, but you cannot delete or unsend a message or post that has already been sent out. You can only delete scheduled posts and messages that have not gone out yet, which will appear in this tab. Now we'll move on how to compose a message. In the upper left corner of your screen, you will see a large orange Compose button. It's pretty hard to miss. Click the button and you'll get a smaller Compose message window. In this window, you'll first be able to select who you want the message to go to, either by selecting All, which will send the message to all students in your school, by selecting individual classes, or one or more student names. Once you've selected your recipients, you can type out the message in the box below. Note that we do have a character limit of 320 characters. This limit is set to optimize the way parents receive messages through text, since longer messages are often broken up by cell carriers. Now you're ready to send a message, either by clicking the blue Send button or right next to it, the white Schedule button, which will allow you to schedule a message to send out at a later time or date of your choosing. And there you have it. That's how to view and send messages. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for further talking points for schools help topics.